Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unboxing for you. Now, this company sent me this to do a review on, and I just want to thank them. It is Jopashop, and I hope I pronounced that correctly, but I just wanted to thank them for the opportunity for allowing me to show all of y'all their products. So this is going to be on the line of my adult coloring. So what this is it is from Jopashop. There are 120 dual tip brush pens, multicolored. All right. And it has on here, create wide brush strokes or fine lines. Vast range of colors, so you can mix your own colors. Watercolor, odorless, and non-toxic, which is great because I know some people, sometimes when you open a marker, they stink. So this is supposed to be odorless. All right, and then it comes in a carrying case. Now, I have not opened this. This is how I got it in the mail. There on the other side, I'd really like to turn it over, but on the other side is my mailing address and everything. And I don't have a problem telling anybody my address. If you want it, you can always ask me for it. But I just don't want to show it to hundreds and hundreds of people. So it comes in this box, and let's open it up. Ooh. All right. So this is the carrying case. I'm going to move this box out of the way. Now, I'm going to tell you just a little bit about this company. All right. Now, this company is located in Sarasota, Florida. So this is US based. And they ship within 2 days of your order. Okay. Now, it didn't take no time to get this. I got this actually yesterday, which I got this on the 23rd of September. I'm filming on the 24th of September, but y'all may not see this for a few days. So, all right. Anyway, this is a hard plastic carrying case. Has a handle on it. It has snaps, so that's pretty neat. And I'm just going to snap that back. Easy snapping. So on here it just shows that it's 120 dual tip brush pens, and it has the name of their shop, which is Jopashop, and then it just tells you what I just read you a while ago. And these are 2-in-1 pens with a fine point and a brush point. All right. And then that's what it looks like on the sides and on the back. All right. And I've just got some regular printer paper and a piece of plastic so it doesn't go through, because this paper sucks and I didn't want the marker bleeding through onto my desk. So I've just got this piece of, it's actually from Dollar Tree, and it's that 2-piece of cutting board material stuff, but that's all it is. But that's what I use to put in between my coloring pages. All right, so let's pull these out. All right, so do they come out individually? Yeah. Oh, cool. This comes out like stair steps. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm just going to leave them like that because that is pretty. But they do come completely out of the box. So let's just take a look at these. All right. So on the marker itself, it has dual tip marker. And then it shows on the one side is the brush, and then on the other side is the fine point. There are no other extinguishing, anything on here that tells a color or a color number. And I don't, well, I guess I can go ahead and take these completely out. At least they don't fall out. But let's see. Maybe, no. Thought maybe there might be a color chart in here. But there's not, unless it's on the back of this. And it's not. So that's one thing I would suggest to them, is they need either a color chart or a color number, so that we as a customer would know what color that we're using. So that would be a recommendation for them. So let's look. I'm going to bring y'all down. Okay. And we're just going to, oh yeah, these write pretty well. Very smooth. Yeah, I don't know why I did a hashtag, but but yeah, that's very smooth. And there is an array of colors. They've got the blues and the greens. They've got your browns, grays, black. It has the reds, oranges, pinks, purples. Then your other purples, yellows. And then it goes into your oranges. And then your green, your yellows, your greens. It's a very pretty palette, actually. Whoops, I turned my light off. Sorry about that. But it's a very pretty palette of colors. I think they've probably got everything that you would need. All the colors that you would need to color. Especially if you're just beginning. Okay? Let me adjust my light and just kind of move it out of the way. But yeah, if you are just beginning, this is all you need in a set of markers. So let's try this green. Oh, that is really pretty. And like I said, this is just regular crappy old printer paper. So I think they're very pretty. I mean, that green is pretty. And it's laying down really well, but, you know, as far as I can tell. And then this is for, like, fine print. And then again, it has the color of the marker as their lids, but you still need to do some swatches. Because I have learned that it doesn't necessarily, that's pretty close, but it doesn't necessarily, the color, go with the color that's the lid that it's showing. But that is pretty close. So, plus, you get these markers or pencils, crayons, anything, and they're so close in color that that's another reason you need to have a name, a color name on here, or a color number, so that we know what the differences are. But that's also another reason you need to do swatches, is because even though these look so similar, they're not going to be exactly the same. Okay? So, even though that looks similar on the cap, it's a different shade of green. But you wouldn't know that if you were just grabbing, those look almost identical. But they're different. So what do I say about these markers? I think they're nice. I do. Other than they really do need a name, a color name, or a number. And it would even be nice if they would add a swatch chart to the to their product. But I really like them. And y'all, they are odorless. I don't smell anything from them at all. So they are odorless. But they do come in this plastic little flat thing. So, and they don't fall out, because y'all have done seen me turn this upside down twice. And they didn't fall out. And they just go right back. I probably have to do this individually. Oh, nope, I'm caught. Alright. So, they do go in here. It's easy to get them back in there. I just had it caught on that. So, what do y'all think? Some of my colorists that are on here, what's your opinion of it? I'd like to know. So, yeah, like I said, you can get these on Amazon, and I will leave the link to the shop in my description box. These are $35.97, but you get 120, and they are dual tip with the brush and the fine line. The only thing that I see would be that it needs a color name or color number. But other than that, they're all in this see-through case. They are individual trays that you can pull out. They were very smooth, and really, they, even with this being printer paper, it didn't bleed through too much, so that's not bad. And they are water-based, so yeah, I think these would be good for beginners. So, and they are kid-friendly. So, yeah, I like them. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to leave, like I said, the links in my description box. And that way y'all can go over there and check these out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just realized that there is a color chart on here. Or a color wheel. But they need a name or number. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. And I hope you're enjoying the set of videos that I have been bringing to you here lately. And leave me a comment, always a like. And if you are just passing through, please consider subscribing. I would enjoy having you in my little family here. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.